Real estate firm relocation. Who would like to increase their real estate profit by far and make better income for your families? Imagine a paradise location where real estate can flourish with less effort to provide for your families. To achieve this, we must move our real estate firm from Miami, Florida to Atlanta, Georgia. Our mission is to help as many lower class and middle class families as possible by providing houses in an area that is attainable and reasonable. I've come up with three assets for relocating our firm. I was able to get this by research and analyzation, and these three assets are housing affordability, safety, and convenience. One key asset to relocating to Atlanta is affordable housing. Affordable housing. Miami housing costs are 27.4% more expensive than Atlanta housing costs. You would need around $5,478.69 in Miami, Florida to maintain the same standard of life that you can have with $5,000 in just Atlanta. Affordability and cost of living makes it easier for us to sell and attract more clients, and it makes it easier to find elegant houses and apartments for middle class families, as it would just make it easier, just being able to show that here it's affordable and it's attainable for you to find a luxurious house in Atlanta, even though you are a middle class family. The housing affordability in Atlanta is very important for our relocation, but it's not the only asset that makes it appealing. Safety. Literacy is nearly 3 times as high in Miami Beach compared to the country's average. With a crime rate of 42.1%, Miami has one of the highest crime rates in America compared to all the communities of all sizes, from smallest towns to very large cities. Between 2001 and 2009, the crime rate in Atlanta has dropped by 40%. So the safety makes it easier and more comfortable to our clients to buy, and it helps for an easier transition relocation process. So not only are the clients will feel comfortable, but it would make it easier in our selling process, and also in the transitioning, because transitioning our location from Miami to Atlanta would be hard, considering location on where is a safe place. But Miami, as you notice, their crime rate drops every year by 40%. Where Miami, it increases, and we did business in Miami in a very unsafe area. Although Atlanta is a safe area for our firm, it is also a very convenient area for it. A convenient city is both walkable and easyable to access by public transportation, with jobs, schools, hospitals, groceries, entertainment, and other amenities with striking distance. The convenience of Atlanta helps a lot with the marketing and efforts of our firm to attract clients that want to live in a nice house, with also having the pleasures of good transportation, vibrant city, amenities, and historic values. So with the marketing, we could add aspects of the Hartsfield-Jackson International Airport is right there, which is one of the biggest airports in the world, actually. Atlanta is a very touristic, vibrant city. It has a history with Martin Luther King, has the Fox Theater, has the Coca-Cola. It would just make it more just convenient for our clients to just want to live there, finding an affordable house, finding somewhere safe, and also finding somewhere convenient for the families to live and want to enjoy and have the pleasures of enjoying all these good things in Atlanta. These key assets make me convinced Atlanta is the place where we should relocate our major real estate firm, even though there are a few concerns. One of the main issues to relocate to Atlanta from Miami, even though we would move, fantastic for the profit of the company, the population of Atlanta compared to Miami. This right here is a risk, because the population of Miami is 6.1 million, and the population of Atlanta is 5.9 million. With with Miami, we had more customers, we had more clients, more accessible, more wants, more desire. With Atlanta, it might not be as much, but I believe that the population difference is not a substantial amount, and with the assets that Atlanta provides, we'll still be able to have the same amount of clients, if not even way more than Miami. Another issue we could foresee would be the popularity of the city. Atlanta is not a popular city in terms of the beaches. Atlanta doesn't have any beaches. Also, the culture aspect. But I feel like we can counteract this because Atlanta also does have its own culture aspect of its city. And also, it does have an asset to its city as well with providing lakes. So the income and clients that we get from getting beach houses, we could also compensate for having lake houses as well, which Atlanta is a very good place for that. Despite these concerns, the assets and advantages could propel our business to the next level. Taking advantage of the affordable housing that Atlanta has to offer will increase the amount of clients and deals. If we decide to relocate to Atlanta, we would need to decide what part of Atlanta would be more beneficial to our firm, demographics of the city, whether it would be wiser to stay in a suburban area or stay closer to the city. Relocating to Atlanta will amplify our firm to new heights. The assets are amazing, and they outweigh the disadvantages by far. We should have no doubt in taking this glorious step. I want to say thank you very much.